guys, it's Mary. I'll be doing my everyday makeup routine 2018 for school. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and Instagram, so you should go follow me on there. And without further ado, let's just hop into the video. First, I'm going to be starting off with the L'Oreal Magic Lumi Primer. There goes my mind. And I already have my brows done. I'll link my everyday brow routine in the description down below. Then I'll be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay BB Cream. I usually use this every day. Going to be blending it out with a Real Technique sponge. Next, I'll be going in with the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer. I'm going to be putting this underneath my eyes. Also be using it to highlight the high points of my face and cover up any blemishes, and using it on my eyelids as well to prime. You said lies on your lips, but there's love in your eyes. Then I'll just be setting my face with a pressed face powder from BH Cosmetics. I will be bronzing up my face with the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer, and I'll be using the Morphe E59 brush, and I will just be using that to bronze up my cheeks. Then I will be going in with the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. We usually go in with one of these three, so I'll just go in with the shade Moonstone today, using the Morphe M509 brush to highlight. If I told you I could give you life, would you leave the boundaries of your mind? Then I'll usually just take the highlighter I'm using that day and highlight my inner corner of my eyes and my brow bone. I'll take you far, far away. So I'll be going in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal, and I'll be using that on my top and bottom lashes. Now, I usually just use chapstick or a light nude color on my lips. I normally don't do anything crazy, or I usually don't even wear this much makeup, and I don't usually wear lipstick. Going in with Snob from MAC, because if I am wearing more makeup and I'm not doing a nude, which I usually am, I will use this one. Now, to top that off, I'll be using the shade White Russian from Buxom. Baby, I hold my breath. You don't know what you got till it's on my day. So tell me that you love me again. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and like I said before, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you are new. I have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and Instagram, so you should go follow me on there if you're not following me already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.